All right, so I want to show you an experiment I just did yesterday and today. Now, for just 24 hours, I spent $1 on Facebook, and my ad that I'm promoting a product has been able to reach 10,000 people. As you can see here, I spent less than $1 and it has reached 10,000 people from 1st December to 2nd December. Just one day, 24-hour interval. I've been able to reach 10,000 people. That's why I keep telling people that currently Facebook ads is the cheapest form of marketing or advertisement you can find. Now, I want you to take a second and think about this. Which other marketing or advertisement platform will let you spend, if you're in Ghana, like $20, 20 cities, or $1 to reach 10,000 people? It's not TV, it's not radio, it's not influencer. You can't hire a marketing team and salespeople and spend $1. It's not possible. But let's do some calculation here. 10,000 people have seen my product. So let's say in the course of this month, out of this 10,000, just 3 out of the 10,000 say that, hey, I want to pay you 500 cedis for what you're selling. I want to buy your product. Let's say if my product is say 250 cedis, just 3 people buy it. I would have made 750 Ghana cedis by spending just 20 cedis. Or I would have made, let's say, $30 by spending just $1. So literally I can say that for every $1 that I put into Facebook ads, I'm going to generate $30 out of it. Now, if you can spend $1 a day, $2 a day, $5 a day consistently for a month, for 2 months, for 3 months, you will end up pushing your business to over 1 million people. And out of that 1 million people who see your business, let's say just 100 of them ends up buying from you. Let's say just 1,000 out of 1 million ends up buying from you. Now, if in a month you spend $1 a day, that is $30. If you spend $2 a day, that is $60. $60 like times, let's say 20 cities. That's like let's say roughly 1,002 Ghana cities. In a month, your business gets seen by 300,000 people. You spend 1,002, 300,000 people sees your business. And out of the 300,000, just 1% of that. What is 1% of 300,000? It's 3,000 people comes in to buy from you, which is, it might be just too much. So let's say just 300 people, or let's say 100 people out of 300,000 ends up buying something from you. And what you're selling is, let's say, 100 cities or 500 cities or 1,000 cities. You get 100 people to buy it after spending 1,000, 2,000 or 2,000 Ghana cities. Look at how much money you're going to make. So I'm going to ask you again, what type of marketing or advertisement do you think is this affordable? Now, so many people try to run Facebook ads and they get it wrong. They try to run it and they don't get results. And I'm going to break this down for you to understand why people try to run Facebook ads and they don't get it correct. Now, before I do that, let me show you one more experiment that I did in the service niche, trying to promote a roofing company's services to generate leads for them. Now, as you can see here, I spent a little above $100 and I generated 835 leads. And per each lead, Facebook charged me 13 cents. This is incredible. Now, let's do some calculation here. 13 cents. If a dollar is just 20 cedis and I spend 13 cents times 20, 13 times 20, that is 2 cedis, 60 pesos. 2 cedis, 60 pesos. So this is incredible. So imagine I've been able to generate 835 leads. Now, actually, from this particular campaign that I did for the roofing company, they were able to generate 5 quality buyer leads. Now, when we say buyer leads, these are people who have asked for a quote, who are ready to spend money. These are people who are serious. Out of the 5, 2 of them, now 2 of the 5 buyer leads have already spent money with them. And you know, roofing, we are talking about about 200,000 Ghana cedis. We are talking about 100,000 Ghana cedi per project. I generated 835. Out of the 835, 5 of them asked for a quote within the first month. And within the first month, they were able to sell, or 2 of them actually made payment and they started working on their roofing for them. We spent a little above $100. So $100, let's say 109 times 20, we spent around 2,180 Ghana cedis, and they've generated already around 300,000 in sales. This is just 5 leads, and out of the 5, 2 have already paid, 3 are yet to pay for the project to start. But then out of that, there's more leads still in the pipeline that they are following up. Their salespeople are calling them. I've set up an automation at the back that is currently sending follow-up emails, follow-up SMS, follow-up WhatsApp messages to remind them, hey, your project, your building project, we are here to help you. Eventually, they will also come around and they will be able to turn those leads into customers. Now, as I said, so many people try to run Facebook ads and they don't get it correct. And the reason is very simple. I'm going to break it down. There are 3 main steps in running Facebook ads. If you don't get them right, you will run the ads, you spend money, but nobody will end up buying from you. Now, the first one, which sits at the top, is what we call the strategy. What strategy are you using to run your ads? It doesn't matter the kind of business you're running. You need a Facebook ad strategy. The higher thinking, the big thinking, the how you're going to get people to know about your product, how you're going to get those who know about your product to give you their contact details, or if you're selling something that they can buy instantly, how are you going to get them to buy instantly? The how sits at the top. After the strategy, there is the tactics. Now, if you jump into the tactics, that is where we have what design are you using? What video are you using? What write-up? How are you writing your words? What video are you using? How much money are you spending? That sits under the tactics. And then there's the technical setup. So many people that I know, they think Facebook ads is just the technical setup. They have their Visa card, they have their credit card, they log into Facebook Business Manager and they boost the post and they wait for it to start bringing in. So what happens is that people will see your ad, they will engage with it, you get their contact details, they will send you 1 or 2 messages, they will ask how much you're selling, they will ask all sorts of questions, but then they don't turn into customers. It's simply because you didn't follow the exact steps in running ads online or running Facebook ads. You need a strong strategy. You need the tactics to connect with your buyers. It's like you have a product, you know who you're going to sell it to. You need the tactics to make sense. How do you write it? What design do you use? How much do you spend? And all of that should make sense, right? And then the setup anybody can do. Anybody can set up their ads. It's very, very, very simple. Now, for those of you who are selling products, what I have done here is I've created the design. So if you join my program, what you do is I'll give you access to this. You can easily plug in your product and it will go. For example, this design that you see here looks very nice. Imagine I'm selling something. This is some supplement that I'm selling, and you want to design something like this. It's very, very cool. What you do is, this is your logo, this is your brand name, and you say something here. Exactly what you say here, I'm going to teach you how to write it, what to write, and even if you want to use AI to write it, it becomes so easy for you. So imagine you want to put your logo here. So this is the template. You just grab your logo, you place it here. You're going to use Canva. Canva is so easy to use. Then you put your business name here, and then you write a text here. Then let's say you need the picture of the product. I'm going to search for something that relates to, let's say, a supplement that I'm selling. I'll search for something like that. Let's say supplement. Something will pop up and I'll just grab this. Oh, it's gone. Okay, I'll just grab this and then you put it here. Then your design is done. If you want to use this design is very nice. If you want to use it to, this is it. Same thing. You come here and you grab it and you put it here and you write whatever you want to write. Now, whatever you're going to write here is what I'm going to teach you how to write it, what to write, and stuff like that. So there are over 300 designs that are currently selling and bringing in sales for people selling products. This could be any product, not just health related products. You can see that this is a tech related product. This is not a health related. This is health related. You are comparing two things for those who are selling lose weight and weight loss products and stuff like that. But then if you're selling a physical product, you can, like a gadget or something like that, you can use the same template because the template works. If the template is working, you can use the same template to sell it. You can just replace this, right? With whatever is it that you're selling. The template is here. You pick your product. Let's say you're selling a phone, some unique phone, or maybe something like that. You can easily grab it and put it here, and then you write your art and everything. So over 300 of these are available. What I'm doing here is I want to work with business people who want to generate sales from Facebook ads, business people who want to understand the nitty-gritty of marketing, right? I'll break marketing down for you to understand your customer. How can you talk to your customer? How do they understand you? Why would they buy from you? What do you sell? The mistake we make most times is that we, the business people, we try to sell what we want to sell, but customers want to buy what they want to buy. It's very, very different. So you might run out, you might do so many things, it might not connect with what they want to buy. So I'll help you understand what your customers want to buy, who are your customers, what they want to buy, what problems they are going through. What can you say? What video can you do? What words can you write? What design can you design so that when they see it, they will feel like, no, this is for me. So they can generate leads very, very cheap. The reason why my leads and my sales I'm generating on Facebook are very, very cheap is because I'm connecting with the customers directly. So I'm not giving Facebook a lot of work. If your ads and your post on Facebook is giving Facebook a lot of work to find your customers for you, Facebook will charge you more. But if you're able to understand your customers, you're able to write words that they want to hear, words that connect with them, your ads will be low. Your ad spend will be very, very low. So I'm opening the doors as you watch this video. If you want to be part of this group, it's going to last for the entire year. And what I'll do is once a month, we're going to have a live session. You bring in your questions. I help you answer. If there's any new thing, any new updates, we walk through the new update, we discuss it. And then there are going to be lessons, how to set up your ad, how to write this. Everything will be at the back end. You can watch them, and I'll keep creating new ads as I'm testing new campaigns and they are working. I'll be adding them here. Very soon, I'll be running a campaign that will be spending over $50,000 every month. And the results out of that, I'll be sharing all of that with you so you can pick one or two insights from it to run your campaign so that you can also generate sales for yourself. So, wherever you're seeing this, if you're seeing this online, if you're seeing this on WhatsApp and you want to be part of it, if there's a link wherever you're seeing this, click on this link and sign up. There's no link, contact me. You know my WhatsApp, you know my email. Contact me and let's get started. Be part of this membership coaching program so that you can take your business to the next level. It's about making sales. See you.